What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for joining me again for another one. So I'm kind of just chiming in real quick because while I was editing this video was actually going to be part of the last video, just a continuation, but that last video was just way too long, and I had to, separate it. So in this video, just wanted to clear things up, because in this video you're gonna see me talking as if the other video was this video, and I know some people are probably gonna get confused. So just letting you know, so you guys are up to date on what's going on in the video. Anyways, you want to take the time this early in the video to just thank everybody for joining me on this video. Much appreciate everybody that has been subscribing to the channel. You guys are the real MVPs. Analytics say that the majority of the people that are watching my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So if you're watching this video right now and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. We got some good content coming in the near future. Join the fam bam. All right, so I see you guys right now. Let's get it. I got some new meat for the wheels, and I'm actually gonna go and see if I can get these put on, because I'm getting ready to get this shit tuned today. Hopefully, I know I said that shit last time, but I called the tuner, and it seems like we should be all right. I don't even know if I showed you guys. I fucking went and cleaned the entire truck up. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember. It was a mess up in here. And one of the things, though, unfortunately, I spilled some oil on the seat, but I did clean it. This is a degreaser, so I went in and degreased the seat, and actually it's doing way better. Like, you can barely tell that it has oil. I did spill some on the back also, but anyways, the whole point of the video right now is, of this part of the video, is so we can go and get these tires slapped on, so we can be ready for the tuner to come through in a little bit. So we're just waiting for the sun to go down, because it's way too hot, and I don't have any AC in the truck. That's gonna be for another video. So let's get up out of here. So yeah, I kind of wanted to show you guys also, like, how random this I'm still running on the old tune, which I shouldn't be driving for too long like this, which is why I haven't driven this truck at all, because I have taken it. I actually took this truck before to get some gas. It drove pretty good, but the fuel ratios are jumping all over the place, and it's when it gets more lean, when I'm obviously worried about this shit. That's why I haven't driven this truck that much. 15 and a half, even 16 should be okay. Like, it shouldn't be like, it shouldn't be really alarming. It's when I come to the stops where it goes high 20s or high teens, and then it starts going to like mid 20s, and yeah, man, I ain't trying to have a catastrophic failure on my fresh ass build that's been taking me 2 years to get out to get running. So yeah, but anyways, we're gonna head up Fremont Boulevard right now. This is 4th Street. I know that cams on automatic transmissions react with that aggressive ass, you can feel the truck rocking like pretty bad. But I put a stall in this bitch, and the stall that I put on it is the one that the cam was, well, the one that I went to go pick up at the shop here locally, was the same stall that what the guy said was the 2600 was what I asked for. So I'm guessing that's what I have, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, the truck is still rocking like a motherfucker. So to my understanding, it shouldn't be doing that. wish I had my camera rolling. This guy just hit that person right there in real time. Like, what the fuck? All right, y'all. I really hope that that jerking from the cam has to do something with it being so damn lean. So I really hope that that's the issue, because if not, I'm gonna go back and complain like, yo, what the fuck? Like, this the stall is having issues, or it's probably not the one that I asked for. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know automatic transmission. So yeah, we'll see. I gotta do some research on this, so let's see what's up. We'll see what the tuner has to say. Issue after issue, Jesus Christ. So yesterday when I was getting my tires, I didn't even record any of that shit, but I got new tires. They are the budget tires, but they're better than what I had, because I had some fucking old ass mix match tires before. But anyways, besides that, after I got done getting my tires put on, I go over, crank the car or the truck. Doesn't want to start. So I just kept cranking it, and I was mad. I started checking my fuses, started checking everything. Honestly, nothing was coming back. I checked the coil. I had a spark plug, and then I put it on a thing, on the wire, and it didn't have any spark. So I know that these engines are notorious for having crank sensor issues, and that crank sensor will shut down your coils. So that's my assumption. And right now, what I'm gonna get into right now is I'm gonna have to take off the damn starter and swap out the crank sensor. So I want to get that out the way right now, and hopefully it starts, because I don't need this. I don't need this shit right now. Fast forward a couple of days, I changed my crank position sensor, and it did absolutely nothing. I mean, the truck started, and I ran it. I actually took it over to we were gonna go to a lowrider show, and I was actually gonna meet the tuner right there, and we were gonna take it out, do street tuning. I didn't make it. This truck has something against getting tunes, so I don't know. So now we know it's not the crank sensor, and I'm gonna have to keep digging deeper. I did check the codes. And I think I have an idea what the issue is, so hopefully I'll find it. Anyways, that being said, I'm gonna cut the video right here because it's been way too long. I gotta get back on track with YouTube, because I have noticed that there's a lot of people, there's been people that's been following the channel, and honestly, I need to stay on top of this. But you know, shit's been happening in my personal life. I mean, a lot of shit. But anyways, that's for another time. We're gonna end the video right here, and we're gonna get back when we start digging into what the issue is on this truck, because it needs to get tuned, and it needs to be straight up. It needs to be good, perfect, and ready to go. And yeah, so anyways, enough of this bullshit. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.